Good morning, students. It's a continuation of tangents on the normal. Right, on the next question. Show that the tangents show that the tangents show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 or parallel. So parallel means the slopes are equal, isn't it? So note, when the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2, isn't it? So consider a curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 1. Y is equal to 7x cube plus 1. You differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx is equal to 7 into 3x square plus 1. 3x square, derivative of 1 is 0, which is equal to 21x square. So 3 is a 21x square. We have to show that the points are parallel. Wherever the x is there, let us substitute 2 and minus 2. When x is equal to 2, dy by dx is equal to 21 into 2 square, which is equal to 21 into 4, which is equal to 84. Similarly, when x is equal to minus 2, dy by dx is equal to 21 into minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 21 into 4 is equal to 84, which is equal to 84. Therefore, tangents are parallel. We got it as same points. Therefore, the tangents are parallel. Next, therefore, the tangents are parallel. Next question. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. Y is equal to x cube. At which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So here find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. Consider the curve. y is equal to x cube. you differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Next, the given condition. Slope is nothing but what? Dy by dx. Slope of tangent equal to y coordinate. It means dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to y. You substitute in this equation. Substitute in 1. So dy by dx I will replace by y is equal to 3x square. Y can be replaced by what? Y can be replaced by x cube x cube is equal to 3x square. X cube equals 3x square. So x cube minus 3x square is equal to what? 0. X cube minus 3x square is equal to 0. Take out the x square as common. So the left term is x minus 3 is equal to 0. It means x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then what will be the y? When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to x cube, y is equal to 3 cube. So y is equal to what? 27. Here we have to find the points, isn't it? Here we have to find the points. Therefore, we will give the conclusion that therefore the points on the curve are 0, 0, 3, 27. 0, 0 and 3, 27. This completes the problem. Next problem. Next question. For the curve, y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. Find all the points. At which the tangent passes through the origin. So here for the curve, find all the points. We have to find the points which passes through the curve. So how to find which passes through the curve? We have to find the points which passes through the curve. How to find which passes through the curve? Consider the given curve. Consider the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. You differentiate it with respect to x, so that it becomes dy by dx is equal to 4 into 3x square minus 2 into x raised to 5 derivative is 5x raised to 4, which is equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to 4, which is equal to, next we have to do 12x square minus 10x raised to 4, and equation of the, let us take the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at the origin. What is the origin coordinates? Origin coordinate will be always 0, 0. Take it as x1 and y1. So the equation of tangent is always given by what? Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1 at 0, 0. So y minus 0 is equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to 4 into x minus 0. So y is equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to 4 into x, isn't it? Into x. What is the next step? So y can be replaced by what? The given term. Y can be replaced by 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. If you multiply this, it becomes 12x cube minus 10x raised to 5. Group the terms. 4x cube, let us shift the 10x raised to 5 to the LHS. 10x raised to 5 minus 2x raised to 5 is equal to 12x cube minus 4x cube. What will be the further simplification? 10 minus 2, 8x raised to 5 is equal to 12 minus 4, 8x cube. What is the next step? Let us take the common term. Just I am continuing here. 8x raised to 5 is equal to 8x cube. 8x raised to 5 minus 8x cube is equal to what? 0. Take 8x cube as common. Left term is x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8x cube is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1. So what are the points then? Therefore the points are when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4 into 0 minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 into 1 minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4 into minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 raised to 5, which is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the points through which tangent passes are 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. These are the points, children. Next question. find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which the tangents are parallel to the x axis, which are parallel to the x axis. Consider the curve. What is the curve? Curve is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 2x minus x square minus 3. Let us differentiate it with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. So dy by dx is equal to, let us take 2 as common, 1 minus x divided by 2y. 2 gets cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x divided by y. 1 minus x by y. Next, they had given the condition that the tangents, when the tangents are parallel to x axis, slope is 0. That is, dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 1 minus x by y. You cross multiply it. 0 is equal to 1 minus x. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, substitute in this equation. When x is equal to 1, y square is equal to 2x minus x square minus 3, which is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 1, we got y is equal to 2. So y square is equal to y square when x is equal to 1, so y square is equal to 2x minus 3. So y is equal to, we are getting y 2x minus x square minus 3. So when x is equal to 1, it becomes plus 3. It becomes plus 3. So here, when you shift, it becomes plus 2x minus x square plus 3. Just to change it, it becomes plus 3. 4 minus 1 is 2 plus 2. So plus 2 it becomes 4. Here, change it yourself. Change it yourself, children. 2. It is plus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, it becomes 4. When y square is equal to 4, y is equal to what? plus or minus 2. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the points on the curve are, write down, therefore, the points on the curve is 1 comma plus or minus 2. 1 comma plus or minus 2. Next one. Next question. Next one. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to, consider the curve, x cube plus 2x plus 6. X cube plus 2x plus 6. You differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. 3x square plus 2. Here the line has been given, that is, if the lines are parallel, the slope means dy by dx are equal. Slopes are equal. So the given equation, x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 plus 4 into dy by x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. X derivative is 1. X derivative is 1. Plus 14 into y derivative is dy by dx is equal to what? 0. Then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 14. You substitute in the equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Substituting in the equation 1, dy by dx means minus 1 by 14 is equal to 3x square plus 2. 3x square plus 2. Minus 1 by 14 minus 2. Where the slopes are parallel. Find the equation of the normal. Here we have to find the equation of what? Equation of the normal. We have to find the equation of the normal. To find the equation of the normal, we have to find the points. How to find the points? How to find the points? Here the normal is given by, just I am erasing it. The normal is given by, how to give the normal? Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by 3x square plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 14. Minus minus gets cancelled. It becomes 3x square plus 2 is equal to what? 14. So 3x square is equal to 14 minus 2. So 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus what? X is equal to plus or minus 2. So when x is equal to 2, so y is equal to what? When x is equal to 2, y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Y is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. So 8 plus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 18. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 8, minus 4 plus 6, which is equal to minus 6. So therefore the points are, therefore I hope you have copied it. Therefore the points are Therefore, the points are 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. So, the equation of normal. Equation of normal is given by equation of normal y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1 at 2, 18. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by, normal is minus 1 by 14 into x minus, x minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. So y minus 18 is equal to 14 into x minus 2. 14 into x minus 2. So y minus, so the equation of the normal is given by minus 1 by, minus 1 by 14. Minus 1 by 14, minus minus gets cancelled. So 14 can be shifted here. It becomes 14y minus 254 is equal to 252 is equal to x minus 2. Therefore, the required equation is x minus 14y minus so minus into minus it becomes plus, isn't it? Minus 254 is equal to 0. Similarly, if you take the point at minus 2, minus 6, y plus 6, it becomes y plus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 14 into x plus 2. So 14y plus 84 is equal to minus x minus 2. So x plus 14y plus 86 is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent and the normal. Equation of the tangent and the normal. Next, question, prove that, and it is an important question. Mark the point star. Prove the curve. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. 8k square is equal to 1. How to solve? So the given curve is xy is equal to k. Xy is equal to k. So consider the equation. Xy is equal to k, which means x can be replaced by, here given x is equal to y square, replace x by y square into y is equal to k. It becomes y cube is equal to k. So y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3. Now consider the equation x is equal to y square. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. 1 by 2y can be written as what? 1 by 2 into k raised to 1 by 3. Consider the second equation. The second equation is xy is equal to k. Use the product rule. X into dy by dx plus y into x derivative is 1 is equal to 0. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. So dy by dx is equal to y can be replaced by minus y can be replaced by k raised to 1 by 3 divided by k raised to 1 by 3 divided by x. Next, the given point is they had given that they cut at right angles. When they cut at right angles, when the tangents cut at right angles, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that is 1 divided by 2k raised to 1 by 3 into minus x divided by k raised to, so the x can be replaced by x is equal to y cube, isn't it? Again the x can be replaced by the y cube, so that it becomes minus 1 by k raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So 1 is equal to 2k raised to 2 by 3. So cubing on both sides. If you do the cubing on both sides, so 1 is equal to 8k square. 1 equals 8k square. It is the required answer. So this completes the problem. You try to solve these questions in the textbook. You try to solve 24, 25, 26, 27 from the textbook. This is an MCQ, but they may ask as a theory question. You solve and send in the WhatsApp. Thank you.